Here we're going to practice 12 rounds of Surya Namaskar, or prayer to the sun. Now, the way we're going to practice in this video is quite unique. We're going to use a mantra at the beginning of each round. Now, this video will be unique in the fact that we're going to use mantras to guide us through the practice. So there are 12 different mantras, and we're going to practice 12 rounds. Why is it nice to use mantras to practice Surya Namaskar? Well, for me, it's just that the mantras remind me of who I am and why I'm practicing. The mantras remind me of the power of the sun and what the sun does to us as it moves through the day. So by practicing Surya Namaskar in this way, it will bring energy to your life. It will bring positive feelings. Now, the idea with these practices is to do this in a regular basis. Do it every day for a month. Now, this only takes about 8 minutes to go through the whole practice. So that's a small amount of time in your day, considering that the practice itself will bring you a whole day of peace and harmony, or a whole day where you feel connected to things. Now, this accumulates over time. So, you do it one day, you do it 2 days, you do it day after day after day, and then a month has gone by, and you're feeling fitter, you're feeling stronger, and you're feeling you've got more inner connection, or more connection to life itself. You have less fear, you have more joy. Yeah? So the practice of Surya Namaskar and the practice of doing Surya Namaskar with the mantras is just a form of reminding you who you really are. You don't need to sing the mantras to do this practice of Surya Namaskar, though it would be nice, if you like, that at the beginning of each round you learn to sing the mantra with me. So, why not give it a go? Why not try and see how you feel by practicing Surya Namaskar on a regular basis? Aum Hram Mitraaya Namah. 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 Aum Hreem Ravaye 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 Namah. Aum Hroom Suryaaya 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 Namah. Aum Hraim Bhaanave 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 Namah. Aum Hroom Khagaaya 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 Namah. Aum Hrah Pushne 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 Namah. Aum Hram Hiranyagarbhaaya 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 Namah. Aum Hreem Mareechaye 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 Namah. Aum Hroom Mitraaya 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 Namah. Aum Hraim Savatray 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 Namah. Aum Hroom Khagaaya 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 Namah. Aum Hram Bhaskaraya Namah. Aum Hram Bhaskaraya Namah. Aum Hram Bhaskaraya Namah. Aum Hram Namaskaraya Namah. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.